Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing permissions and getting the bot into the server. Invite the RAID helper using bot and application command scopes, then grant only the permissions it needs. This prevents accidental overreach. Once added, create a dedicated text channel and a bot role, then assign that role. This isolates commands and logs. You do this now so subsequent steps run smoothly and you avoid permission errors when executing core commands later in the flow. Once done with the invite and channel, run the bot setup command to configure core settings. Follow prompts to map RAID roles to Discord roles, set time zones and voice channels, and choose default reminder intervals. This ensures invites show correct times. Make sure to set RSVP caps and reaction role behavior so the bot auto-assigns correctly. You'll adjust auto-assign and limits while watching feedback messages. Doing this reduces confusion and keeps attendance accurate for future raids. You now create and manage a raid. Use the raid create command, include time, difficulty, slot count, and optional notes so attendees know expectations. Once posted, monitor signups and use remind or lock commands to finalize the list. Export attendance if you need a roster. If things go wrong, first check the bot's role permissions, channel-specific overrides, and any command cooldowns. Those are the most common causes. If permission fixes don't help, reset the setup command and reconfigure only the failing section.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.